Let's roll. I gotta go.
George.
Well, pirates, we have been on the road for going on like I think 42 hours. We've made it comfortably across California. And ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages, it is first thing in the morning here at the market. We've been sitting here waiting for the sun to come up, and now it's time to start. We are unloading this trailer, and I am in a zone. I gotta be in Bakersfield by 4 o'clock to pick up our new dog. Don't hurt yourself, don't hurt yourself. Easy, easy. Yeah, I think I got them all the day before. Whatever that set can get rid of, let's get rid of it. I don't care if it's $1. That one needs to go. That's how you do it, guys. Trying to burn. The bag is $5. What's this right here? This right here is $5. And this, ooh, look how they paint that. That's kind of nice. Yeah, $3. The chairs are gonna be 30 for dos. I gotta get 5 on the pink shirt. Give me $1. Let me see. Give me $2. You didn't want the shirt, right? Yeah. So that was 15, and this was 13. That's 27, and that's 30. That's 57. The chairs are 30.
For these 3
Yeah. Jack. Ooh, what do you know about this book, The Future of Evolution? Where do we come from? On your opinion, where do we come from?
Moon.
All right, I like it. I'm not going to disagree because I don't have the answers. $3.
I think we all evolved from green cheese.
Green cheese? I don't know. It's hard to say what we evolved from. I don't know what I believe. It's hard to believe.
I believe every day and do it. Going to sleep.
All right.
Not worrying about it.
I agree with you. That right there, give me 10.
That's all I can do.
Brand new faucet right there. Yeah, take the 5. Sweet, thank you. All right, where's everybody at? Let's go, let's go. What are these? Do we need any prices here? You got questions, I got answers. What is it? Let me see, sir.
Yeah,
No, you can have it.
Huh?
You can have that.
What?
You can have it.
Give me.
You can have it. Okay. Ooh, hey, sorry. This right here is $30.
What are you asking off floor then for her?
150. What is in there? Let me see. Here, let me see. Oh, give me 15. 15. It's a good pan. That's cheap for a pan. I go 13. That's the best I could do. I usually sell a basic pan for like $5. I'll go 25. I'll go 25.
How much are they?
3 of them are good ping ones. Hey, I want $100. Good bag, good those things. I almost thought about keeping these because they opened up the golf course that I live on that's been closed since I moved in. But I don't know if I want to take up golf again. I used to play all the time. I was in the NCCG or whatever they call it. I used to play little games and tournaments. It was fun, but then I got addicted to it. It was like every day. I don't got time for every day. No, the irons are armor. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well.
Cold though.
Yeah, it is really cold. You gotta get active. You should be helping your dad unload. Oh, you should be helping your mom
She's
unload.
not coming out.
Oh my gosh.
She's gonna stay there until it gets a little bit warmer.
Oh.
Because we have my little brother.
Give me 7.
What about without the irons?
Oh, the money's in the pings.
You didn't get a bucket for these?
I'll go 80 right now. I think that's very fair. One time, $80. This right here, give me 8. The Little Mermaid, Ariel. Thank you. $1. Sorry.
70, Mike.
All right. Well, they're probably for sale. Yeah, they're hers. That's what I'm saying. They're probably for sale now.
The bucket's really at a
No.
how much you want?
15.
Callaway. Callaway.
That's a metal. That's a good one. Brand new. This right here, give me 15. Want me to count it? Okay, we're at 35. You gave me 5 ones. 35.
45,
50.
5, 60, 70.
There we go. Head out.
Oh, God. I'm out here suffering.
I hate when people look at something and then they don't like it and they just literally leave it right there in the walkway. That is like the most disrespectful thing in my eyes. What do you think?
What's What's that, baby?
when somebody makes a whole pile of stuff and then they don't like your price and they just walk away from it here, wherever they left it, and just leave and don't put it like where they got it
Then
from.
you tell them don't come back here no goddamn more.
This is a nice bat. This is a home run hitting bat. Like I guarantee at least 3 home runs in your career.
Not if I'm swinging it.
$20 for both.
20.
Yeah. There's a catcher's mask.
Yeah, but he's right. It is catching, man.
It was a guy who was a baseball coach, so.
No balls or nothing like that. I coach too. That's why I'm.
There was some that I don't think so. I don't not. There was a bag of squishy balls. They were weird. They were like really hard, heavy.
No gloves though. No gloves.
I don't remember. Everything from this stuff is out here right now. This is all of this unit. Wow. Would you be more careful if it was you getting pregnant?
Perhaps.
Okay. Who said I'm? All of a sudden it's our fault, right? What about if you want to have a baby, you know? What if that was your goal? Elvis.
That's like the.
For this, all this? This one I would go, what are these? Yeah, 50. I'm just a price machine. And I don't work for nobody but me. I'm just a price machine. Are you trying to steal my money? No, if you're gonna take it, you take it all. You don't take partial money, you take it all or none.
That's about a 7. Huh? You think, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Brand new. What are you talking about? Might
I'm
even
talking
be.
about, look at the edges.
Are these Funkos or not?
They're pretty. No, I don't know. I don't know what.
It
they
says
are.
Funko on the back, but that's not.
They might. Yeah, they're like a. I think they were a special edition, like Funko.
What do you say, Andy?
They're pretty crisp.
Oh, this is terrible. This
How much are you selling them for?
$5 each for you.
Who the hell?
I'll take them for my kid, my little one.
Who the hell graded that?
Thank you.
I can't believe they graded that a 9.
Thank you.
What's that? What are those?
Funko Pops, toys for my kids. Eviana loves Funko Pops. Well, all my kids and Jess collect Funko Pops with the Disney ones. This ones are for Eviana, so yeah, these are good little purchase for $10. Ooh, how'd you find the only piece of sterling here?
Because I know these.
Oh my gosh, this is nice, Jack.
It's earned. I've earned it.
What kind of shirt you got there? You got the college. I think you got a $15 pile. Yeah. 15, and why you giving my stuff away? I was gonna say 25. 15, I guess.
15 to you, Mama. And then.
That's nice. Good ones? Oh no. Oh, you got a Harley one. Look at that. What's this one? Walking Dead, yeah.
Huh?
What do we got here? Those are nice shirts. Give me 12 for everything.
Yeah.
Batman, toys, blanket. Hi. How you doing?
Oops, sorry.
It's all right.
You still doing your videos?
Yeah.
Watching, man.
You do? I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Where's all the sports cards at?
I don't know. I found it in that unit.
No, I'm saying, where's all the sports cards?
Oh, at the house.
You got some?
I got like
Are there any decent ones, or are they just a lot of regular?
just everything I've ever found. I've just always thrown it all together. I don't know.
Okay. I buy collections, depending on the price, naturally. But
I'll get them all together and have you come look at
did you bring me those coins today? Oh my God! You said you was gonna bring them. I was gonna get them. That I'm not the best at. I usually have somebody look at it, but I don't like collector's coins. I'm just more into like ones that have silver in them for the investment value. But yeah, if you want to sell your cards, let me know. Yeah. Most of the cards are like for example, if your cards are all like in just regular boxes and they're commons and binders and stuff, I usually don't like. I'm looking for ones where the person kept them in hard sleeves and things like that, because they already knew the value, so they did the work for you. But if it's just like rows of 88 Don Russ and stuff like that, it's generally you're not going to find nothing in there.
Okay.
But I'm always interested in looking. What is it for? Give me $10 for all of it.
Close.
Oh yeah?
On Oakland, yeah. We're from the same crew, TSG 105 on Oakland.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the deal. It is 8:27 and I got to get out of here in just a very short moment because we got to drive to Bakersfield. I think it's like a 4 or 5 hour drive from my house, and we're going to pick up our new dog.
Oh,
You left this in there.
Hmm?
You left this in there. What do you want for that? It's new.
Where'd I leave it at?
Oh, it's a nice one.
Yeah,
Harley Davidson.
look at that. It's got a. It's Oakland Raiders. What year is that? Huh? That's gotta be worth at least a 5.
I was gonna get that's probably you want that for your antique.
No, I don't. This one you can have for a buck. $5, it's yours. All right, so we're getting ready to wrap it up here. We've gotten rid of most everything. Gonna be leaving it to George, so it doesn't even matter at that point. We gotta pay him naturally. Yes, always, make all our dreams come true for me and you. Yes, I used to watch every Nick at Night show when I was a child. Still remember every damn. Oh, what is it? Cornhole. All right, give me $3. Cornhole. Cornholio.
You didn't like my price? You pay.
I told him $1 on the elephant.
Cars.
$2.
You like them?
$2 for all the cars. Are you keeping this chair, Uncle Mike?
You collected from him? Who?
It's time to.
Did you collect?
Where? No, is he stealing? Oh, it would have been more fun if he was stealing. Would have been a better video, right? I'm gonna give one to Alex. Remember that Alex commented on yours last time.
Yeah.
What is this?
Who stole it? $4. I'm gonna tell him you stole it. She stole it. Give me $3. Uncle Michael, is this your coffee? George, I found your twin brother.
I know that.
No? Here, this is a cool item, George.
What is that?
Don't lose that. $2.50?
Say okay, or
Yeah, that's fine.
you have change for 100.
No, I'll take this. Do you want change? I'll give you change.
I need change.
Here's 70, 80, 90. Sweet, there you go. Did I tell you 10?
2.
2.
4.
I'm gonna close this up. George is gonna handle this. Everything is his here. All right, well, I think we're pretty clear here, Uncle Michael. Yeah, $2,000 storage unit. Is what?
My girl.
Oh,
That's Tony.
Are we gonna argue over whose girl it is?
No, that's Tony's girl.
All right.
Mine. I already got a kiss.
All right. Uncle Michael got a kiss, eh?
I did too. Yeah.
Tina, if you're watching, comment below. Let's roll. I gotta go.
George.
George, they said you must have everything off the property by 3. Oh, look, you got freaking recycling mat on there, man. All right, have a good day.
Yeah. $1.
Let's go, Uncle Mike. Bye, everybody. See you later. Rudy, have a good day. I'm sorry you have to help George now, but... Huh? Hopefully he's good to you. But I was right. See, I told you I wouldn't be dealing with it.
Nah.
All right. We may be back Thursday. We may not. Bye, Rico. See you later. It's time to roll. Whoo, turn and burn, just like that. This 10 by 20 is officially wrapped up. We still have a little bit to sell on the next market load. I'm quite sure I'm in the profit. I have a few things that I set aside for sales, internet, collections like silver and gold. Not much, you watched the videos. And then we've pretty much gotten our money back, and I might have made a couple $100 profit. And just like that, pirates, we are on our way to go pick up our new dog. Yes.
I'm gonna carry him in this. It has a blanket in it.
That's just in case he wants to run around and pee. We gotta be protected. So it's a little dog. You guys are gonna see soon. Well, pirates, we have been on the road for going on, like, I think 42 hours. We've made it comfortably across California, and we are about to meet our new dog. All right, so we're having trouble finding the woman who has our new dog here, and they'll probably be showing up in just a minute. Welcome to the city of Bakersfield. We're parked across from, I guess, town hall, and over here behind me is the police station. I guess there's no safer place to meet somebody to make a transaction for a dog, or anything really for that matter. What's a safer place to meet, I guess, huh? How you doing? All right. So here's the money. Sorry we got all distracted and everything.
It's okay.
You guys want to meet George? You guys want to meet George? Come on. Say hello. Aww. Look.
He ends up
He
not
looks so
liking him.
sad.
You like him? Yeah. He looks sad? No.
He looks adorable.
Aww. All right, now we literally just, it was weird. I've ever made the fastest transaction I've ever made in front of a police department. We're on our way. Another 42 hours back home. Let's roll, guys.
Can I see the child? I can't even see him. It's dark outside. Wait, look at his face.
You just let her. This dog already got nervous. I could feel her. She smells. Yeah, I don't know. She smells him. See, he's nervous.
Like, can I eat him?
No, it's all right, George. Maybe he wants. I don't know. He's wanting to get out of my arms, though.
Put him down. I'm not gonna let her get close.
Better last night. Mike, they're making fun of me for yesterday because these feathers, they're just popping out of nowhere, and I thought they were literally not even on the stair anymore. George, it's okay. I'm cold.
Kobe, no.
She's not doing nothing. She's
I
cold.
can hear her growling.
She's not growling.
Yeah, Kobe, it's okay. I'm cold too. She's like, we can be cold buddies together, all three of us. 4 of us. What if I just like pick him up and be like,
That's all right.
oh, he looks.
That's your replacement, Cobes.
No, it's not. Kobe, you're still part of the family.
Come here, baby. Come here.
Come on. Let's go inside.
He's so
Come here.
sleepy.
Come here.
He's so sleepy.
That's it. We gotta let that happen. She's gonna smell him. You get used to it. It's all right. It's all. You're not taking it off. No, because you need to be nice.
It's okay, Georgie.
Cut it out.
She just wants that off.
I know, but that's she can also be aggressive when you take it off. For a
No, she would
moment,
have been aggressive right now. She's here at the vet. When she
I'm
has
not
it.
even doing anything. We can see
That's your new friend.
Oh, it's a dog.
You got a friend now? You all right?
Georgie was all over me just now. He was between my legs.
I don't know.
He's saying that he doesn't really, but actually I know inside that he loves Georgie. Everyone loves Georgie.
George, come here.
I'm like,
George, come here.
Georgie. Oh, what about his toys?
George, come here. Come see Kobe.
All you do is take a picture of me.
Come see Kobe. Come on. Kobe, come see George.
He's worried about whatever he's doing.
Just like that, little George is comfortably asleep in his new bed. Say goodnight, George.